Hi everybody, on this chilly winter's day, but we have a beautiful home in Kyalami Estate in close proximity to St. Ledger's Park, which is one of the main parks in the estate, and it really offers a lot of leisure activities. But this particular home is a real gem. You will see when we go inside, it offers 3 bedrooms upstairs. There's a work from home study downstairs, beautiful entertainment area, as well as an inviting sunroom, which I'm sure on a day like today we will need. Come inside and I'll show you around. The whole home is very, very well maintained and looked after. As you enter, we have the family room here with wood burning or gas burning fireplace, as well as the TV area. Adjacent to this is a work from home study, and or it could be used as an alternative bedroom. But you'll notice that it's very big, very spacious, offering lovely work from home accommodation, and or, as I say, an additional bedroom. Lots of natural light from those big windows outside that lead or show the outside garden. We have here access to the garage, double garage. So more than enough space to park your limousines and your beautiful cars. And then as we go back towards the center of the home, as I indicated to you originally, this is the family room. We have the stairs leading up to the top and the bedroom, understairs storage, which is common in the estate with double-story homes. But this kitchen will absolutely blow your mind. You will see that it's very well appointed. The drawers are soft touch, as are the cupboards, so they close very nicely. You have access to your outside garden via the frosted glass door. And of course, you have your scullery area with under-counter appliances. And as I indicated to you before, what is an absolute win is this enclosed patio. You have a braai area, but you also have this enclosed patio and or sunroom with stacker doors that on a lovely summer's day can be opened up completely. And you'll see that you have a little plunge pool outside, gardening that surrounds the home and offers more than enough for the home lover. And of course, people with children, they being the children, will have sufficient space to play outside, but one must not lose sight of the fact that in the estate are 16 parks as well. So if they become housebound and or unhappy with their little garden, they can proceed to one of the 16 parks. And as I said, St. Ledger's Park is in close proximity, just at the end of the road. That has cricket nets, basketball pitch, cricket pitch, and beautiful play areas as well. And then leading off this downstairs area is another bedroom with air conditioning and a beautifully appointed bathroom with vanity, bath and shower. The bedroom offers lots of cupboard space as well as air conditioning in the room. So in the event of having guests and or older family members to stay, they are downstairs and don't have to be burdened with climbing stairs. You will see, having walked through the home, that everything is pristine and neat. As you come to the top of the stairs, you have the main bedroom, which is beautifully situated, sliding doors onto an outside patio, which has a canopy as well, so if there's any inclement weather, you will not be troubled by rain or whatever. And beautiful in the summer as well, if you want to sleep with the doors open. Your main dressing room which leads off the main bedroom and your bathroom, with a romantic corner bath, double vanity, shower and toilet facilities as well. But if you take into account the absolute pristine finishes in the bathroom with the frieze and the tiling, this is a move-in ready home. Sufficient cupboard space from a dressing room point of view. You have an air conditioner in the main bedroom as well, so that covers any kind of adverse weather conditions, be they hot or cold. You have temperature control at your fingertips. Off the passage leading to the other bedrooms is the shared patio area with the main bedroom, and you can see how beautiful it is, the bougainvilleas that are growing in the garden. There's another bedroom to your left. This they have set up as a gym area, but of course it is specifically designed as a bedroom, and it has built-in cupboards with mirror doors and really offers the epitome of luxury and neatness. And then the last feature is the bathroom and bedroom. Beautifully appointed bathroom with vanity, and if you look at the absolute crisp, neat, cleanly look of the bathroom, it caters for all needs and requirements. And a bedroom soaked in sun on this chilly winter's day, offering a lot of natural light. So here we are outside, not a day today, but during a beautiful summer's day. You have the plunge pool, you have sufficient garden space. Oh, and another feature of this particularly beautiful home is that it has a full domestic and or staff quarters. So that has a bedroom, a little kitchenette, shower and bathroom facility. And what is particularly nice is the access that you have from the garden to the side of the house as well. So an access gate to provide your wheelie bins, etc., when they are full. And this property really deserves another look. So we would welcome you to come and have a look and make this your forever home. Thank you for watching. Regards, Richard and Sue.